Hey guys, hi. Very good afternoon to all the participants. We'll wait for some time, then we'll start. Please ask your friends to join. Thank you.
Hey guys, hi. Very good afternoon to all the participants. I hope my voice is audible to you and my screen is visible. Can you just give me the quick confirmation? Uh, the voice is audible and screen is visible to all the participants. Yes or no? Quickly, guys. Okay. Thank you for this confirmation, guys. So, Satyam Sharan, I'll look into that. Let me first try to take the other topics, and if time permits, I will show you. Otherwise, if you see, I have already added some screenshots of all the visuals that we have created in the last session. If you see our notes, I have added all the visuals. Okay, just follow the steps mentioned here. Okay, if time permits, I will again re-show you the line chart and the area chart. Okay, got it? All right. These are all the visuals that we have created in the last session. Okay. Today we are going to look into some other visuals also. First, we'll look into the highlight table. Okay. The first visual that we are going to look today is highlight table. And one more announcement, guys. Today we are going to have the quiz also. So if your friend is not present in the session, ask him to join the session. Okay. Because if he miss the quiz, he will not be able to give it back. All right. So all of you, please, like yesterday, today also, I request all of you to please look into the session very carefully. Okay. Today, after doing highlight table, we will be looking into some advanced visualizations. So please look into the steps very carefully. After that, you can try it at your end. Okay. After that, you can try it. So let's kind of start with the highlight table. So I will open my Tableau public. I'll open a new sheet here. Okay. I want to, for highlight table, I want to see the profit by subcategory for all the quarters. Okay. So for that, first of all, I will drag and drop my subcategory to the rows. Okay. I'll drag and drop my subcategory to the rows. 1 second. Let me clear it out. Okay, this sheet. I'll open new sheet and now I'll drag and drop subcategory to the rows. Okay. Then after that, I want the quarters, right? So for to get the quarters, I will drag and drop order date to the columns. Okay. I'll click on this expand option. I'll get the quarters. Now I'll remove the year from here. Now you can see I'm getting the quarters. Is my audio not good, guys? Is my audio not what is my voice not audible to you?
Sir,
Tell me.
clear, sir. Your audio is
Is my voice not audible to you guys? Tell me. Is my voice not audible? Audible, right? Okay. So as I said, I have dragged and dropped subcategory to the rows and I have dragged order date to the columns and from there I have selected the quarter option. Okay. Now inside this, I want to check the profit, right? So I will hold my profit and I will drop it on this. You can see I'm getting the profit values. I'm getting the profit values. Let me select the entire group and now I'll go to the show me and I will select this table. Okay. I will select this table. So this is your basically the highlight table. Okay, this is your highlight table which says darker the color, more is the profit, less the color, less the profit. Let's go to the colors, red colors, and again like yesterday, I will select red and green diverging. Okay, red and green diverging. So from this you can understand that this is the more profitable subcategory in quarter number 4. Okay, got it? Yes, understand. I cannot understand your Telugu language. I'm sorry. You can please post your concern in English language. All right. Please post your concern in English. Let me quickly format it. To format it, I'll go to format option. Format option. Okay. Let me go to the border. Cells. I'll give the borders. To the cells. I'll give it slightly little border. Pain. This thickness. Okay. Headers. Again in this. Okay, let me remove this order date from here. So along with that, I will increase the size of the quarters. Okay, so this is your quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. If you want to give colors to quarters, you can go to this shading option. In this worksheet, you can select the default color that you like. Okay. Apart from that, here you have something called column headers somewhere. Column headers. Let's select some different color for this one. Okay. Banding size. Let's keep this one. Paint this one. Okay. Band is this. Then two. Last one. Then next one. And this. Okay. We go to columns in the column header will be having somewhere. This is header. Let's select this color. Okay. This is row headers. So we'll go to the row headers. We will even select this color. All right. I'll select this one for the same for this one also. Select this color. Okay. Let's give the title here now. So this is saying profit by category. Profit by profit by category. Okay. Let me select it. Bold it. Blue color. Blue color we have seen yesterday also. Apply. Okay. Again right click. Format title. Then shading this color and border with this color. Okay. One more thing here, we'll go to the labels settings and here in the alignment, let me keep center. Okay. Let us keep center. All right. That is fine now. Format, shading. Let's see this color. This is our final highlight table. Let me rename this sheet as highlight table. Okay. Everybody here. Yes, basically with the help of band size, we can do that. Otherwise, we can go to the specific column or the rows from here, and then also we can do that. Okay, if you go to the format settings, either you can check for the sheet option. Okay, in the shading, you can check for the sheet, or else you can go to the respective row and columns, set the band size. All right. So in highlight table, what we did, uh, in the column we have passed quarters, and in the rows we have passed subcategories, and in the labels we have passed profit. Okay, with that we get this visual. Sorry guys, is it fine? All right. Okay, let's see some other visualizations now. I hope this is clear to all the participants. We are going to look into some more deeper visualizations. We'll start first with a donut chart. Okay, second, somebody tell me what do you mean by donut chart? What do you mean by donut chart? Hey guys, I will not be able to write down all the steps to create a donut chart. I request you to please look into the steps very carefully. Okay, look into the steps very carefully. These are some advanced visualizations that we're going to see from now. Okay, we'll try to create a donut chart. We'll try to create waterfall chart. We'll try to create Pareto chart. We'll try to create a butterfly chart, a lollipop chart. So such kind of charts we are going to create. Okay. So the first visual that is we are going to create is a donut chart. So guys, donut chart is very similar to a pie chart, but the only difference is it has got a hole in at the center. Okay. It also tries to gives you the proportion of the hole. All right. So let's create a donut chart to understand segment by sales. Okay. We'll create a new sheet here. Okay. We'll try to understand the segment by sales using a donut chart. So for that, first of all, I will drag and drop the segments to the columns, and I will also drop sales to the rows. By default, this is a column chart. Okay. So I'll go to the show me option and I will select the pie chart. Okay. You can see we are getting the pie chart right now, right? So let's select the entire view here. Now what I will do, I will give the labels here. First of all, I'll give the labels to the segment. Okay. So I'll hold my segment and I will drop it on the labels. You can see we're getting the labels of segment, that is home, office, corporate, and consumer, right? Now we'll give also the values for all segments. So we'll take the sales. Okay. We take the sales. 1 second. Yeah. Take the sales and we'll drop it in the labels again. So these are the sales values, but I do not want the sales value in the numbers. I want them in the percentage. So I will click on this drop down of the labels of the sum of sales. Okay. I'll go to the Q table calculation and I will select percent of total. Now you can see I'm getting the percentage contribution of all the categories. Okay. The percentage contribution of all the segments. Okay. Now I want to convert this pie chart into a donut chart. I think till now everybody can create this kind of a pie chart. Okay. Now we have to convert this pie chart into a donut chart. Okay. So for this we are going to use axis method. We are going to use axis method to convert this pie chart into donut chart. Please listen to the steps very carefully. To convert this pie chart into a donut chart, first of all, we'll create average of 0 2 times to create the axis of this particular visualization. Okay. So we'll pass average of 0. Okay. You have to create average of 0, hit enter. Okay. You have created the axis. Similarly, again we'll pass average of 0 to create another axis. Okay. So now you can see we're getting two pie charts, right? We are getting two pie charts. We're able to create two pie charts now, right? First average of 0 will keep the axis for the first visual. Then with the second average of 0, you'll be able to create the second visual. Okay. This is your average of 0. You have to use average of 0 2 times. Okay. Then what you have to do? Then what you have to do? As soon as you type average of 0 here in the rows, in the mark section, you can see there are two sub options: aggregate average of 0, aggregate average of 0. Okay. If you see the canvas, there are two pie charts. One pie chart is on the top, another pie chart is on the bottom. Okay. This pie chart is denoting this average of 0, the first average of 0. The second pie chart is denoting the second average of 0. All right. Clear till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. The first pie chart is denoting the first aggregate average of 0. The second pie chart is denoting second aggregate average of 0. Is this clear? Till this point, is it clear to you? Yes or no? Quick confirmation, two thumbs up, please. Okay, I'll repeat. We have used average of 0. Okay, so first average of 0. As soon as you create two averages of 0, this aggregate average of 0 will be created under your mark section also. Okay, this aggregate average of 0, the first aggregate average of 0 is denoting the first pie chart, and the second aggregate average of 0 is denoting the second pie chart. If you select the first aggregate average of 0, it will contain all the components which are there for the pie chart. Okay. Similarly, if you select second aggregate of 0, it will contain all the elements of the second pie chart. Okay. Now what I will do, I do not want anything from the second pie chart. Okay. I do not want any component present inside the second pie chart. So I will remove them. How to remove them? I will hold the pills one by one and I will drop it outside. Okay, so I'll select the sum of sales. I'll drop it outside. See, as of now, I'm selected the second aggregate average of zero. I'll hold it, I'll drop it outside. Sorry, to drop it outside. Okay. Similarly, I will hold the second component, I'll drop it outside. As soon as you are dropping, you can see some changes in the pie chart, second pie chart. Hold it and drop it outside. Hold it and drop it outside. Okay. Again, I will hold it and drop it outside. Now you can see this has got become blank. This has got become blank. Yes or no? Am I clear? Yes or no? Am I clear? Till now, am I clear? Next step, what you will do? You'll go to the first aggregate average of zero. You'll increase the size of this pie chart. You go to the first aggregate average of zero. And if you go to the size, you'll try to increase the size of the first pie chart. Okay. You're increasing the size of the first pie chart. All right. What you have to do? Jebadi Venkat Karthik, as soon as you create aggregate average of zero two times, average of zero two times, the aggregate average of zero will be created under the mark section also. Okay. You have to select the second aggregate average of zero and you have to remove all the components from it. Okay. So you'll get a blank circle. You'll get a blank circle with the gray color. Okay. Now you have to click on the drop down of the second average of zero and you have to select dual axis. Now you can see it has formed a kind of a donut chart. Okay. It has formed a kind of a donut chart, but still the color is not okay. This one is showing gray color. So I'll go to the second aggregate average of zero. I'll go to colors and I'll select white. Now you can see it is looking like a donut chart. Yes or no? Isn't it looking like a donut chart now? This is like a donut chart, right? Next thing, what I will do, I'll try to showcase the overall sales inside the center. So for this, I'll pick up the sales value and I will drop it on the labels. You can see I'm getting the label here to 23 lakh 26,534, right? I'll I'll customize this value. So I'll right click on the sales again. I'll go to the format option in the numbers. I'll go to number custom and in the display units, I'll select millions. Now this is better, right? You can make the font as bold. Labels bold. Got it? So this is your donut chart. Okay. This is going to be a donut chart. I do not want this axis, so I'll remove this header. Still I'm getting a line here, right? So I'll go to right click, I'll go to format. In this lines, first of all, grid lines, I do not want. There is a reference line or zero line somewhere. Let's select none. So that line is also now removed. Okay. That line is also removed. I think John, you have joined late. You have missed some steps. You are very slow, John, to be frank. Okay. There are different set of steps that is needed to create this donut chart. All right. It is derived from your pie chart only. After that, we have the same thing. We can, now my donut chart is ready. I can just modify my title. I'll edit the title here as sales by segment. Okay. Bold with blue color, underline, fly. Okay. Then format the title again, border with yellow. Similarly, this also format, uh, pane, pane with left. Okay, I can see a lot of questions here. How to get aggregate average of zero? I will create a new sheet. Here you guys just have to type average and in the parenthesis you have to pass zero and hit enter. Okay. Similarly, one more time, click here, type average of zero and hit enter. That's it. You get aggregate average of zero like this. All right. If you want to remove any particular component from aggregate average of zero, select that aggregate average of zero and remove that component outside. That's it. It will get removed. Maybe Karthik, but it is a tool. Here we create it using this process. Okay. It's not like everything is available on Excel. This is a BI tool. Okay. Here you can create n number of visualizations using different set of steps and techniques. You cannot do that level of data cleaning in Excel as you can do here. All right. There are a lot of pros and cons for Excel and Tableau. Your Excel cannot handle any volume of data, whereas your Tableau can handle it. Okay. Now, is this clear to all of you? How to merge two circles? You have to click on the second aggregate average of zero fill and select the dual axis. You'll get your pie chart converted to donut chart. Am I clear to all the participants? The donut chart. This is a donut chart. This is one of the advanced visual that we have created. Okay. Let me try to write down the steps what you have to do. Uh, Create pie chart with column as element and rows with sales. Okay. Then rows fill, in rows fill, type aggregate, sorry, average of zero, average of zero, and hit enter, comma, repeat it one more time. Okay. Next, remove all the fields, all the pills from second aggregate average of zero in marks section. Okay. Then what you can do, you can now go to the second aggregate average of zero in rows. Okay. Click on drop down and select dual axis. Okay. It will form a donut chart. Now add white color in second aggregate average of zero in mask section. Okay. So this is the simple
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Is my voice not audible to you?
No, sir.
Others? Satvika?
Sir, you are not
Is it
audible. Now it is okay. Thank you.
now it is okay, right? Now it is okay, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
I think the voice is okay now. Check, guys. I think the voice is now okay. Let's go ahead, guys. Let's create another simple visualization. Uh, Aditya, just click on this drop down. Here you get a quick table calculation, and you have to select percent total. Okay,
Sir, sir, your voice is
rename this
breaking. So check your internet. Your voice is not clear.
one second. Second, guys, I'll change my network and we'll try again. Okay, is my voice now okay? Are you able to hear me?
Wait, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Correct. All right, let's proceed. So now we are going to create another form of visual that is going to be a funnel chart. Okay. This is a very simple funnel chart, guys. This is also comes under the advanced visualization. I don't know why you're seeing my voice is video stuck. I'll reshare my screen. I'm resharing my screen. Please check it now. Okay. Is my screen visible now? Is the screen visible to you? Okay. So let's create a a funnel chart. Funnel chart is a very simple visualization. I would like to create a funnel chart for profit by segment. Okay. I'll hold my segment key. I will drop it on the columns. I'll take my profit. I'll drop it on the rows. Okay. I would like to select the stack bar chart from here. Okay. Stack bar chart. Now, again, I will select the profit. I'll drop it on the size. Okay. This is now not looking like a funnel, but it is looking smaller, a very crisp size of funnel. So let's go to the standard and select entire. Now this is looking like a funnel, right? This is your funnel chart. This is a very simple visual, a funnel chart. Let's drag and drop segment to the labels, and we'll also drag and drop profit to the labels. Okay, profit to the labels. How to convert this profit back to percentages? Click on the drop down of the profit, go to quick to calculation and select percent of total to get your in the form of percent. Okay. R Githali Premvada, can you just share me your email, please? Githali Premvada, can you share me your email? Drag and drop segment to the columns, drag and drop profit to the rows. Select stack column chart, and after that, drag and drop profit to the size. That's it. You get your funnel chart. So this is your profit by segment. Profit by segment. select it, bold it, underline it with blue color. Heading, border, black color. Here we don't want this line, so we'll remove this header. Don't want this grid lines. Go to format, grid lines, none will select, and pane will select this color. Okay. Murthy Reddy and Narendra, how many times will I show you how to get the percentage? It's very simple. Let me clean this visual. Let me show you guys once again. I don't know why you're not able to understand this. Okay. Let me clean this sheet. See guys, to create a funnel chart, understand things very simple. Hold your segment, drop it in the columns, drag and drop sales to the rows. Okay. You get a bar chart. You get a bar chart. Go to show me, select stack column chart. Okay. This is showing you in the form of stack column chart. I'm telling you, do not do right now practicals along with me. Please follow the session. Later you can try. Okay. Later you can try. You get your funnel chart. You get your stack column chart. In order to convert this stack column chart into a funnel chart, we'll again hold our sales and I will drop it on the sides. It has got into the crisp size of funnel. Let's go and select entirely. So this is your final funnel chart. Okay. Now we'll give the labels here. Segment to the labels, then sales also to the labels. That's it. Okay. As of now, these values are in the numbers. I will convert that into percentage. All of you, please listen to the steps to how to convert into percentages. Click on the labels of sum of sales. Click on the drop down. Go to quick table calculation and select percent of total. Okay. It will get converted to percentage. That's it. Now is it able to understand to you guys? Are you able to understand now? Giri, please drop an email on teamsip@thesmartbridge.com. Check the Telegram group for the email ID also. Okay. Because this will be taken care from the backend. Okay. You have to drop an email. Now again, let me remove these headers. Let me format the title. Shading I will give. Okay. Borders I will give black color. I'll remove this grid lines. We'll go to format. And okay, that's it. So you can see your labels, and this is your funnel chart. Clear, right? I mean, dash funnel chart. Funnel chart. Okay, hit enter. Everybody, is it clear? Everybody, is it clear? Okay. If it is clear, now we are going to look into another form of visual, that is your Pareto chart. Okay, we'll see Pareto chart. What is a Pareto chart, guys? Pareto chart is a combination of your column chart and line chart. Okay, Pareto chart is a combination of your column chart and line chart. So Pareto chart basically follows one principle. So it states that 80% of the consequences are caused by 20% of the causes. Okay. In Pareto chart, you can understand it follows a basically principle. 80% of the consequences is due to 20% causes. Okay. So with the same principle, we'll try to create a Pareto chart. We'll see two kinds of Pareto chart. One is the basic one and another is the advanced one. Okay. To create a basic one, first of all, I'll take the subcategory. I'll take the subcategory. I will drop it on the columns. Okay. So what I have done, I've taken the subcategory and I've dropped it on the columns. Okay. Next thing, what I will do, I'll take the sales and I will drop it on the rows. Okay. I'll take the sales and I will drop it on the rows. Okay. So in Pareto chart, we need these bars in the form of descending order. So we'll sort it. Okay. Now how to sort it? Here in the top, I have shown you this option, right? To sort it ascending or descending order, right? So select the descending order. We are sorting it in the descending order. Okay. We have sorted it in descending order. Now what I said you, so Pareto chart is also a combination of column chart and line chart, right? Now I also want to create a line chart. Okay. Line chart for the same sales also. Okay. For the same sales. I'll hold the sales key and again I will drop it next to the sales. Okay. I'll hold the sales and again I will drop it next to the sales. So you can see I'm getting two plots for the sales for the subcategories. Understood till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. Have you understood till here? Quick yes, quick thumbs up. Have you all understood till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. Okay. Once you do till here, what is the next thing you have to do? I said we need the combination of column chart and a line chart. So as you can see, there are two sum of sales. Here in the marks section, you can see there are two sum of sales. Two sum of sales. The first sum of sales is representing this bar graph. Second sum of sales of 2 is representing the bottom bar graph. Okay. My video is visible, right, guys? Medhari is saying my video is not visible. My video is visible to you guys, right? Yes or no? Okay. You can see, as I told you in the previous donut chart also, as soon as you create two averages of zero, two average of zero will be created here, right? In the similar way, since you have two sum of sales field has been created here also. Okay, for the two bar graphs. First sum of sales bar graph is for this sum of sales, and second sum of sales is for this bar graph. Okay, so there are two sum of sales. If you modify any component in the first sum of sales, this will get changed. Let's say I change this color to blue color. You can see the first is getting changed. All right, let's me keep it back. If suppose I select second sum of sales, if I modify the color here, you can see it has got changed. Understood? Understood? Now, I want the combination of a column chart and a line chart, right? So I will convert this second bar graph into a line. Now, how to convert this bar graph into line? In the second sum of sales of 2, here we have a drop down which says automatic. I'll click on this drop down and I will select a line chart. I have this line option. So you can see the bar graph is now converted to a line. Clear? Is my video getting stuck? Tell me, is it clear to you till here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Is it clear till here? Give me a thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Okay. Next, what we will do, we will combine these two graphs together. Okay. Now, how to combine these two graphs together? We have already seen the dual axis method, right? So we'll click on the drop down of the second sum of sales here. Okay. And here we have this third last option, that is dual axis. You will be selecting dual axis. How to do that? Select the drop down of the second sum of sales and click on the dual axis. Okay. You click on the dual axis. You click the dual axis. Now you can see the two graphs is combined, but by default, first sum of sales, which was the bars, has been converted to circles. So you go back to the first sum of sales. You convert this automatic to bars again. Okay. You convert this to bars again. Clear? Yes or no? Till here, am I clear to you? Am I clear till here? Okay. Now what I will do, I want to see this line chart displaying the running total of all the components. Okay, running total of all the components. components. Means what it will do, it will take the first component sales. Okay, it will display the first component sales. Then in the second component sales, it will take the sum of the first two component of sales. Okay. Similarly, for the third one, it will take the sum of the first three component of sales. Likewise, it will go till the last and it will display me the 100%. Okay. Let us see how to do that. Let's see how to do that. Basically, Boypedia, we have just selected this drop down and we have selected Equal Access to combine these two. And after that, we have selected the first sum of sales and converted it to bars again. Okay, we've converted to bars again. I will go to the sum of sales. Here we'll go to add table calculation. Add table calculation. Okay. This time we'll go to the add table calculation. How to do that? We'll go to this drop down. We'll select add table calculations. Okay. Now here we'll select running total. Running total. Okay. Running total. Since I want to display this running total in the form of percentages, so we'll add secondary calculation also. I'll enable the secondary calculation also. See guys, this step is a bit complicated. So please focus here very carefully. If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat it that also. That is fine. But please focus here. Okay. What we have done, we have clicked on this drop down and we have selected the add table calculation. Okay. For now, I'm getting edit table calculation. If you do for the first time, you will get add table calculation. Okay. We have selected the running total and I have also enabled add secondary calculation. In the secondary calculation, I want to display the percent of total. Percent of total. Now you can see we are getting here the percent of total. Okay. That's it. So here you have to select only these two options. Okay. You have to select only these two options. Okay. Please make a note of it, guys. If you're writing down anywhere, please make a note of it. Otherwise, if you miss this, you'll not able to create a Pareto chart. Okay. I'm taking the snippet of it. I'll attach it for your reference if you need. Okay. So that is one thing. So now, since I want to give the labels here in the second sum of sales. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go to the label option and I'll enable this show mark label. Now you can see we are getting this in the form of percentages. Okay. Done. So this is your final Pareto chart. So this is basically a basic Pareto chart. What we can understand from this Pareto chart that if you see here, if you carefully understand or look into this visual, what I said, 80% of the consequences is due to 20% of the causes. It means 80% of the sales should be because of 20% of the categories. If you see, this is my categories and this line is displaying me the sales, right? If you see, my 80% of sales is coming somewhere here. Okay, somewhere to this particular category. Do you think how many categories we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 subcategories sales are making 80% of sales together. Okay, 9 subcategories sales are making 80% of sales together. So this is not correct, right? This is not following the Pareto principle, right? So this is what we can understand from here. Okay, this is not following the Pareto principle. Clear? Ideally, according to Pareto principle, 80% of the products should make 80% of the sales should be due to the 20% of the subcategories. Okay, whereas here it is not following that. Clear? I cannot format it here again. See, if you format it, it will change like this. Okay, so you get your basic Pareto chart. Okay, let me rename this by subcategories. Okay. bold, underlined, applies, copy. Bold, heading, line. Okay. Here I don't want this grid line. Remove the headers. I don't want this. Hide the field labels. Let me make it entirely. All right. Have to follow this thing, guys. Otherwise, you will not be able to create it. Okay. Take it very easily, guys. It's not that difficult. If you follow the steps, what I've mentioned, you will be able to create it. Okay. Pareto chart. Let's see one more form of Pareto chart. Okay. Let me first give the border here also. Let me create a new sheet. I'll show you one more Pareto chart. Okay. We'll see one more Pareto chart. This time, I would like to see sales by products. Okay. I want to understand that 80% of the products should make 80% of the sales should be done by 20% of the products. Okay. This I will finalize. Okay. So we'll do one thing. First of all, we'll take the sales field and we'll drop it on the rows. Okay. We'll take the sales field and we'll drop it on the rows. Next, I will take the product name and I will drop it on the columns. So there are a lot of members here. So I'll select add all members. Add all members. Okay. Add all members. Now here I will convert this product into unique count. Is my voice not audible? Satvika, can you just confirm my voice not okay? What others? Are you not able to hear me out? Please confirm me, guys. Is my voice okay or not? I don't know why I'm standing in a very good network. Is my voice not okay to you? Please sharing my screen, guys. Please check it now. Is the screen visible and my voice audible to you? Yes or no? To me, I'm going slow only. If you're doing practically along with me, then you will not able to follow. You have to follow the steps. Okay, look into the screen, follow the steps. Okay, let's continue. So what I have done, I have drag and drop sales to the rows and I will drag and drop product to the columns. Now what I will do, I will convert this product into the count. So here I will go to the measures. Okay, I'll go to the measures, and from here I will select count distinct. Okay, count distinct. Okay, so as soon as I do it, you can see there is a single circle now for me. Earlier it was a blue fill, now it has been converted to continuous. Yes, till here, clear? Am I clear till here? Yes or no? Am I clear till here? Okay. After this, what we will do, we'll take the products again and we'll drop it on the details. Okay. We'll take the product name again and we will drop it in the details. Okay. We will take the products again and we will drop it in the details. View. Okay. I'll select the entire view. Okay. Now let's add the fixed table calculation now. Okay. After this, we'll add the calculation. After we'll apply the table calculation for both of these, product name and the sum of sales product name. Click on this drop down product name. Go to add table calculation. Follow the same step what you can see. Select the running total first. Okay. In this dimension also, so specific dimensions will be selected. Click on product name. Okay. Click on product name. So what are the things you have done? First, you have selected the running total and you have selected the specific dimension. Under that, you have selected product name. Okay. Then you go to secondary calculation. Here, in the secondary calculation, we'll select percent of. Okay. We'll select specific dimension again. This is what. Okay. Kartika, are you there?
Yes,
Kartika,
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir. I am here.
Is the voice breaking? And video stuff.
Sir, sir, can you hear me?
Here you, I'm telling you, is my video stuck or my voice breaking?
No, sir. Your voice is clear and your video also clear, sir.
See, guys, me and Satvika are sitting in two different locations. Okay. So I don't think so there is network issue here right now at the moment. You need to check the connectivity. Okay. All right. I'll reshare my screen if you want, but you have to check your connectivity, guys. Second, guys.
Sir, now the video is struck. Sir, are you there? Sir? Hello. Sir? Sir, are you there?
What's audible to you guys? Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible now.
People saying
Sir,
hello. Yes.
yes, sir, now you are audible.
Sharing my screen, guys. Please inform. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, the screen is visible.
All right, guys. Let's continue. So we have just seen how to create the table calculation. So what you have to do, you have to select the running total. In that, select specific dimension. Okay, and add secondary calculation. Here you have to select percent of total, specific dimension, again product name. Similarly, you will be doing for sales also. Click on the drop downs, add table calculation, select running total. Okay, specific dimension, select product name. Go to add secondary calculations. Go here and select percent of total, specific dimension, product name. Okay, that's it. The same operation you'll do for both product name and the sales. Close it. All right. Count distinct. Okay. So after that, going for a location, we just have added the quick table calculation. We have added the quick table calculation. I'll repeat it once again, no worries. Let me clean this. So first what we will do, we will take the sales to the rows, then we'll take the product name to the columns. Okay. Add all members. After this, we'll click on this drop down, go to the measures and select count distinct. Okay. Now again, we'll take the product name and we'll drop it on the details. Okay. After this, we will be applying the table calculation for both of these fields, product name and the sum of sales. Okay. So we'll click on the first option. We'll go to add table calculation. We'll select the running total as we have done for the previous one also. Add secondary calculation. Then here you have to mention the specific dimension as product name. Then again difference from secondary calculation type will also percent of total and specific dimension should be product name. Okay. The same operation will go for the second one also. Click on the sum of sales. Go to add table calculation. First calculation type should be running total. Select specific dimension. Select the product name. Add secondary calculation. Go to secondary calculation type, select percent of total, and that's it. Okay, click on close. So your graph will be looking something like this, right? That means go to entire view. Okay, we'll go to the entire view. After this, we'll go here to the product name. Okay, we'll select the line here. Okay, we'll select the line here in the card. Now we'll sort it. So how to sort it? Right click on the product name. We'll click on the sort. Now how to sort it? First of all, we'll sort it by field. We'll sort it by field. By which field we'll sort it? We'll sort it by sales. We'll sort it by sales. Okay, and we are going to sort it by descending order, and that's it. So we are getting this kind of a graph. Okay, we're getting this kind of a graph now. Okay, now we'll add the reference line. If you see here, 20% of the product should be responsible for 80% of sales, which is somewhat true here. Okay, which is somewhat true here. Let's add some reference line. How to add reference line? Again, I'll go to analytics. There we have this reference line option, right? Hold the reference line button. Once you hold the reference line, you'll get this small pop-up where you can see add a reference line to a table, pane, or cell. And below table, you're getting two options: count product and sum of sales. First of all, we'll add the reference line for the product. Okay. So if you hold your cursor, you can see these two options are getting pop up with orange color, right? First, if you hold it towards the, keep it towards the product, it is getting with orange color. If you keep it towards the sales, it is getting in the orange color. Let's first keep it in the product. Okay, count distinct of the product. Drop it there. Okay, once you drop it here, you'll get this small window. Okay, once you do it, you'll get this small window. Here you have to select average to be as constant. Okay, and here I will select 0.2 because I want the 20% line. Okay, I want the 20% line. You can make this line as dotted lines or dash lines with black color. Thickness you can increase if you want, and click on OK. That's it. So you can see a good dotted line is displaying here at the 20%. Okay, same thing will go for the 80%. So here we have to drop it on the sales side, right? Again, we'll keep the reference line towards the table. This time we'll drop it on the sales side. We'll drop it on the sales side. Okay, again I'll show you. Hold the reference key, click on the reference key, drag and drop it towards the sales side. Okay, drag and drop it towards the sales side. You have to keep holding your pressing your mouse button. Okay, then only you'll get this pop-up. Drop it on the sales side. Okay, now again it will ask you have to select the constant here, and here you select 80, 0.8, 0.8. Select the dash lines, black color, click on OK. Now you can see we're getting a black color line, 80%. This line is 80%. So this clearly states that 20% of the product are making 80% of the sales. Okay, this is following the Pareto principle. This is clearly following the Pareto principle, right? Yes or no? Let's rename this sales by product. Sales by products. Okay, let me make it bold, blue, underline, fly, and OK. For my title. Okay, so this is your Pareto chart. Let me rename this Pareto chart. This is advanced Pareto chart. Am I clear to you? Yes or no? It's very simple, guys. We just have followed some steps and we have created this Pareto chart. Clear? Gunther Reddy, Lokesh Naidu, I hope it is clear. I need some thumbs up. Okay, great. So what is the next visual that you would like to see here now? Let us see now a waterfall chart. A waterfall chart. Okay. We'll see waterfall chart. Basically, waterfall chart shows step-by-step increment in a particular data value. Okay. It shows you step-by-step increment in the data value. So we'll see subcategories wise profit for all the components. Okay. So for that, what we will do, we will first take subcategories to the columns. Okay. We'll take subcategories to the columns. And next, we'll take profit to the rows. Okay. Profit to the rows. So what we have done, first we have taken subcategories to the column. And next, we have taken profit to the rows. What we have done, we have taken subcategories to the columns and we have taken profit to the rows. Okay. Let's sort it. Let's sort it. Okay, we'll sort it by profit. No, not required. Am I clear to you guys here? Yes or no? Please tell me. Here, what I will do, let me take this profit. Let me try, guys. Calculations. Let me see running total. Second, guys, let me try this and I'll show you. Okay. Then profit to the size. No. Give me a minute. This is not coming. Profit to the this. Okay. Next select two locations. Total. And let me select client bar start here. Okay. Again, select profit to the price here. Use of profit. Okay, that's better. One second. Let me clean it and then we'll show you one second. Yes. I'll show you profit by subcategory using waterfall chart. So first of all, we are taking subcategory to the columns. Okay. Then we're taking profit to the rows. Okay. Profit to the rows. All right. After this, what we will do, we'll try to sort it. No, let's keep it as it is. We'll not sort it. Okay. Let's keep it as it is. Okay. We're not sorting it. We're taking subcategory to the columns and we're keeping profit to the rows. After that, we'll go to this fixable calculations here. Okay. And we'll select running total. We'll select running total. Okay. We have selected running total. Okay. Then we'll go here and we'll select Gantt bar chart. Everything clear till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. I'll repeat it once again, guys, if you have not followed. So once you have drag and drop subcategory to the columns and drop it to the rows, you have click on this drop down. You have to go to the quick table calculations and you have to select running total. Running total. So you'll get something like this. Okay, you'll get something like this. Now what you have to do in the mark section under the automatic, you have to select the Gantt bar chart. The Gantt bar chart. The Gantt bar chart. Okay. So your specific data points will become flat. Okay. Now again, you will take your profit. You will take your profit and drop it in the size. You get it. Okay. Is video getting stuck? Guys, others, please tell me. Is my video getting stuck? My video getting stuck, guys? Okay. So now you can see here, this bars that is getting started, it is not showing some zero position. We want to see the total, this bars in the form of a waterfall. Okay, means the it should display me the total profit for each component. Okay, so it is not starting from zero. So what I will do, I'll put a minus sign here. Okay? I'll put a minus sign here and hit pen. Now you can see it starts from zero and I'm getting the corresponding profit for it. You can see this is the profit for subcategory, that is 41,937. This is the component profit for applications, that is 18,329. And the summing of accessories and this value will become 60,266. Okay. So likewise, these are the sum values of all the components. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll add colors here. Okay, I will add colors here. So for that, again, I will take a profit value and I will drop it on the colors. Okay, let me select the entire view here. Okay, you can see here, here the dark color is saying the more profit, lighter color is saying less profit. Let's do one thing. Let's select some more other color, that is our red and green diverging. Red and green diverging. Okay, let's click on apply and okay. You can see this is our, this is showing me kind of a waterfall chart. Okay, but still one more step is left. We need to show here the total sales also. So for this, you have to go to analysis and here you have something called totals. Select show row grand totals. You get the total sales value. Okay, that is 292, 297. Okay, this is the total profit. So this is your final waterfall chart. All right. Is this clear to you guys? Yes or no? Let me format this. Hide the field label from here. Let me rename this as profit by subcategory. Hold apply. Okay. Right click, format title, border, black. Okay. I don't want this line, so I'll remove this header. Whereas I want the borders across it. I'll select this border and this one. This way. Okay. Apart from it, I don't want the red lines, so I'll select them. If you want the borders across your graphs, so you can select here with black color. I think so. This is clear, right? So what all visualizations you have seen? This is your waterfall chart. We name this as waterfall chart. Okay. You have seen highlight table, donut chart, funnel chart, Pareto chart, and again waterfall chart. Now what is left? I think two more visuals left. Let's see that also. We'll see butterfly chart now. Okay. After applying the color divergence, what I have done, I have added the grand total. This total we have added. So you have to go to analysis and you have to go to totals and select show row grand totals. You'll get the total value. Okay, you get the total value. So guys, if you're hovering your mouse in the tooltip, you're getting some options, right? That is subcategory, running sum of profit, profit, sum of profit. This can be again rectified, means they can be also edited. You have a tooltip option, right? Double click on tooltip, you get this option. So it is showing you subcategories. If you hover your mouse, it shows you profit, right? Subcategory, running sum of profit, right? Profit. It is showing me minus sum of profit, right? Let me remove this off. Okay, let me click on OK. Now if I hover my mouse, the negative values will go. Okay, got it. Clear. You can edit the tooltip also. We'll create lollipop chart, guys, today, not the butterfly. If you want, let's create butterfly only. Butterfly. So basically, in butterfly chart, we are going to compare two numerical values against two one dimension. Okay, we are comparing two measures against two one dimension. Okay, for that, first of all, what I will do, I'll take my subcategory, I will drop it in the rows. Okay, I'll take my subcategory, I will drop it in the rows. Okay, then I have something called customer ID. I will hold my customer ID, I will drop it on the columns. Add all members. Okay, but here again, I will click on this drop down and I will select the count. Okay, done. Understood. Understood what we have done. We have selected the count of customer ID and we have added the subcategory to the rows. Two things we have done. Okay, now what I will do, I will take my order ID also. I have something my order ID here. I will hold it and drop it here. I'll add all members. Again, it is showing me like this. I will go here and select the count of it. Okay, I'll keep customer ID first and order ID second. I'll keep the customer ID first and order ID second. Okay. Instead of count customer ID, let's me select count distinct customer ID. Okay. Clear? Till here, is it clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Let's select entire view. We have taken the count distinct of customer ID and count of order ID. Okay. Things we have done. All right. Next, what we will do, let's sort them in the ascending or descending order. Okay. Let's sort them like this. Once you click on the sort order, descending order, it will be sorted in the descending order. Sorted in the descending order. After that, what I will do, again, I will make use of average of 0 here. Average of 0 here. And I'll hit enter. Average of 0. Okay. Average of 0. Now what I will do, I will hold this average of 0 and I will place it in between these order ID and customer ID. Okay. What I have done, I have selected the average of 0 and have placed it between customer ID and order ID. Am I clear? Yes or no? Can I get some thumbs up, please? Quickly. Yes, no. Can I get some thumbs up, please? Quickly, guys. Yes or no? Okay. Now you can see here what all continuous measures we have in the columns. All those components we have under the mark section also. We have count distinct, of a customer, we have aggregate average of 0 and order ID of count, right? We have all the three. We'll go to aggregate average of 0 in the mark section. And for this automatic, we'll select text. We'll select text. Okay. We'll select text. Now, inside this text, we'll pass our subcategories. We'll go hold our subcategory and we'll keep it in the text. Now you can see we are getting our subcategories in the bottom. Let's do one thing. Let's bold it. Okay. We'll select it and we'll bold it. Apply. So you can see you can increase the size here. Basically, we make it 12. Apply. No, that is very big. Let's keep it 10 only. Okay. Sorry. All right. Now what you can see here, this part is showing me like a wing, right? This is like the right wing of the butterfly, right? But this is not like showing me like a wing of a butterfly. The left wing is not like a left wing of the butterfly. So what I will do, I'll right click on the axis here. I'll go to edit axis. Okay, I'll get this small pop-up. Here you have something called under the scale. I have reverse option. Let me select reverse. Okay, and close it. You can see now this is kind of a left wing. Yes or no? Are you able to see? This is kind of a left wing, right? This is your right wing. This is your left wing. Okay, let me remove this line headers. Let me remove this header from here. Okay, I'll also remove this headers from the bottom. Got it? Is it not looking like you a butterfly from the back? Yes or no? Is it not looking like a butterfly from the back? Get some thumbs up. Let's do one thing. Let's change the color. First, we'll go to the count customer ID. We'll go to colors. Okay, we'll go to more colors. We'll keep the count customer ID into the colors. Sorry. We'll hold the customer ID and we'll go to the colors. Okay. And now in the colors, we'll select there is gold and purple diverging. Apply. Okay. Similarly, again, we'll go to the count order ID. We'll hold our control button, click on our order ID, and we'll drop it on the colors. So this is creating a duplicate of order ID. Here again, we'll go to colors, edit colors. We'll make it like gold and purple diverging. Apply and okay. Now tell me, is this looking like a butterfly wing? Yes, right. Let's again format this. So right click here, go to format settings. Okay. From the grid lines, I don't want the grid lines, so I'll select none. So grid lines has been removed. Still, we are getting this more common line, right? So I think though this is a drop line. Let me select none. No. Zero line is also none. Okay, zero line is gone now. We're not getting any more zero lines, right? We're not getting any more zero lines. Next, what we can do, let's go to the color of this option. We can give the borders here, black color. You can see border we are getting. We can also give the count of order ID to the labels. Okay, this is showing me outside, right? We go to the labels, alignment, somewhere in the center. Okay, alignment in the center. Enum setting and subcategory, if you change the color, it will not happen here. Okay, this thing will get changed. Okay, we cannot change the color of subcategory. Okay, if you hold and put in the colors, it will be something like this. It's not looking good, right? So keeping it like this. To change color, what you need to do, you need to change both the wings color one by one. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the count listing of the customer ID. Press your control key click on the customer ID and drop it in the colors. Okay. And then go to the colors, click on edit color, and here you have to select gold and purple diverging. Gold and purple diverging. Gold and purple diverging, you have something there. Similarly, you have to do the colors for this one also. Okay. Go to again colors, give the borders with black color. Okay. If you want to give the labels here, again click on the count of customer ID, drop it in the labels. It is showing outside. To make it inside, go to the tables, alignment, make it inside center. Okay, that's it. So you get your labels. Okay, let me read the heading here. Sorry, I think so. This is butterfly chart. Just give this as butterfly chart. We make it bold with blue color. For my title, border with format. Okay, shading colors. If you want to give any working color, you can give. Clear? Save it. Save it, guys. So your visual gets saved. Control S. Okay. So I will stop today, guys. I will stop for today. See, guys, there are two announcements for you. Okay. First of all, I would like to give you the first assignment. Okay. The first assignment. This is the link of the assignment. Okay. Let me click on share. Okay, link. Let me place it on the top. Okay. This is your first assignment. Please check it. This is basically a simple assignment, like whatever we have learned in the previous week of our visualization. So this is a simple data set. These are the attributes of the data set. If you click on this link, you will be getting the data set. Okay. This is the data set. Click on this download button to download the data set. After this data set, basically you need to create these five visuals. Okay. Bar chart, pie chart, stack bar chart, line chart, and bubble chart. And how to submit it? Basically, whatever visuals you have created, take the screenshots of the visual, paste them in the doc file, and save your doc file in the form of PDF. Okay. And that PDF has to be submitted to us. Got it? Clear? Similarly, I have one more assignment. Assignment number 2. What cloud, one chart, what cloud, chart. Yes, this you can be creating. I'll share this also. Second assignment also. Let me share this also. Copy link and share. Copy link. Basically, the data set for both the assignments are same only. Okay. Just refer to the data set which I have shared. Okay. Do not use any other data set. See what is the second assignment. So it is the same data set which is there for the first assignment, but in this data set you have to create a donut chart, area chart, text table, highlight table, word cloud, funnel chart, and a waterfall chart. Got it? Clear? Will you be able to do it, guys? Gautami, just type average of 0 in the parentheses. That's it. Complete the assignment, save the PDF with you. I'll share you. I will tell you when and how to submit it. Okay. Let me share, copy link. This is the assignment link. Okay. Let me stop sharing my screen. You guys were asking regarding how to submit the batches, right? We have got the forms ready. Okay. So give me a minute. I will be sharing you guys the form also. Let me once again reshare my screen. Completed, guys, the assignment. I'll tell you how when to submit it. Okay. Gagan Srinivas, please refresh it. See, guys, I will be sharing you. This is the link of your. Let me copy this link. Self-paced submission link. Self-paced batch submission link. Okay. You guys have to click on this link. Let me do one thing. Okay, what is wrong here? Sorry, I think so this is working right. Now, if you click on this link, you will be redirected to this page. IBM self-paced completion form. Okay. Put your details, student name, your email ID, your phone number, what is your hall ticket number, give your college name, branch, college location, and whatever credit link you have to paste it here and click on submit. That's it. Okay. So self-paced course link is also attached in the notes. Please check it. Am I clear to you guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Guys, do not worry about the deadline. You have the deadline till the program ends. Okay, please complete the assignment. Next week, I will give you the third assignment also. That is, we will be like creating a dashboard. So by the time you complete these first two assignments. Okay. Credit link is the link that you will where you have the batch. Okay. All right. Please follow the self-paced course properly. There you will get the credit link. Okay. You need to create an account. Notes link for after adding that submission. Notes link is already updated, guys. Please check it. I have already updated the notes link. Please check this. Okay. Please check this. All right. Bhuma Abhiram, please drop an email on teamsip@thesmartbridge.com. All right. I'll be sharing the assignments and the self-paced course in the Q&A section also. You can check it. Copy and paste it with you guys. Okay. Now the time is for the quiz, guys. Let's start the quiz. Okay. We'll start with the quiz now. Just give me a minute. I'm sharing you the quiz link. Please find the quiz link in the Q&A section. Please find the quiz link in the Q&A section. Satyam, the colors will overlap. Okay. The graphs will overlap. That is okay. Hello, Nivedita, if you have completed the self-paced course, all the steps are clearly mentioned there. How to create an account on Credly, the batch you can claim in the Credly. That link you need to share. Okay. Akhil and all the participants, once again, I'm telling you, I will be guiding you when to submit the assignments. Meanwhile, complete the assignment. Okay. You have not completed the assignment and you're worrying about how to submit the assignment, when to submit the assignment, where to submit the assignment. Please complete the assignment. I will be telling you. Your projects and assignments will be submitted together. So please wait for till time. All right. Vasavi, John Alangada, please check your self-paced course. There it is clearly mentioned where is Credly link, what is Credly link, how to have the Credly link. Properly, there is a special uh, tutorial over there. Please refer to that. There is no WhatsApp group, guys. Please share. I've shared you the quiz link here in the Q&A section only. There is no WhatsApp group, Shravya. Ready link is the link where you have your batch. Okay, you need to say share your batch from there only. All right. Don't think so. I have the login of my Credly, otherwise I would have shown you. All the participants are required to submit their self-paced batch. It is not available in the recording sessions, Nivedita. You need to check your IBM self-paced course. There properly they have mentioned how to create an account on Credly page to claim the batch on Credly platform. Okay, you need to check it in the IBM self-paced course itself. It is there. Please go back, check IBM self-paced course once again. There is a proper tutorial. Please check it. How many of you have already created the Credly and have got the Credly claims, batches claimed in the Credly? Can somebody tell me? Deepak Verma, I'll check and get back to you. Gautam Kardi. So Gautam, it is there in the platform, right? IBM Skills Build, it is there, right? The steps to create Credly account and how to uh, share the link, right? See guys, all those who are asking regarding the Credly link, please go and check your self-paced course. It is clearly there. There is a small tutorial on there. You have to refer it from there. Please complete the quiz, guys, and let me know. Lakshmi, please complete the quiz. It is the Credly account link. Jilnaru Nivedita, I hope my voice is audible. You need to check IBM Skills Build page, self-paced course page. There, proper tutorial is there, how to create an account on Credly, how to claim the badge from Credly. Everything is there. Please refer there once. Okay. No, I cannot show you because the proper tutorial is present there only. Okay, Credly is the place where you can claim your batches. So a proper tutorial is mentioned there. Bhuma Abhiram, please check the notes. In the notes, I have attached the self-paced course batch submission link. Bhuma Abhiram, please check the notes. I have attached the self-paced course batch submission link over there. One of you, have you completed the quiz? Anyone completed the quiz? Anyone completed the quiz? Please fill the feedback form. I hope you understood this week's sessions well. And one more small announcement. Tomorrow we have the third knowledge session, guys. So do not forget to attend it. Tomorrow there's another knowledge session, same time. Do not forget to attend it. Okay. Uh, Rajesh Chaudhary, I do not have the access of Telegram group. I'm not the admin, so I cannot share the link there. Whereas I have shared the link here. Please check it. It is working for all. If you are attending it from mobile, maybe then you will be facing some difficulty. Sorry, Ishita, there you will be getting some share kind of option in the Credly page. From there, you have to copy the public link and paste it here for your batch. Yes, yes. Gadmuddi Jyoti, that is about getting started with data batch. Which group should tell you, Ganesh, tell me. Which group you want to know? Gautam Katadi, where we have to submit batches. Gautam, I have added the self-paced course submission links, batches link in the notes file. Please check it. Check the notes document. There I've added the link. I've added the link in the notes. Please check it. Go and check the notes, guys. There the self-paced course submission link has been added. Okay. If you want, I will share it here also. Please save it with you. Ganesh, the team is not yet formed. Will inform you. This is your batch. Sheikh Gosa Basha, this is your batch link. This is your batch. Guys, this is one of the batch shared by one of your friends, Sheikh uh, Gause Basha. This is the link she has shared, and this is the batch. And here it is saying this batch was issued to Sheikh Gause Basha. Okay, this kind of batch you have to share like this. You have to copy this link and you have to attach it there. All right. So you have still more time to do, guys. Till the program ends, the assignment. Gagan Srinivas, see, this is the batch link. It starts with https www.friendly.com batches some number hyphen public URL. Okay, this is the batch link. This is the batch link. This batch is here. It is mentioning that this batch was issued to whom. So this batch is issued to Sheikh Gause Basha. Okay, so you need to attach this link. You have to paste this link in that section in the credit link. Okay. Job Raisa Tabusum. What about others? Have you completed the quiz? Please complete the quiz, guys. Priya Sumireddy, again, I'm telling you, I'm not the access to Telegram group, so I cannot share there. Which link you want? Quiz link or the group link? Yes, Rajesh, that is the link. See, guys, I'll share you one more example. Rajesh has shared. See, this badge was issued to Rajesh Yamuna. So this is his Credly link. This is his Credly link. And if I open this link, I can see this badge was issued to Rajesh Yamuna. Okay. This was issued on May 21st, 2025. And this is his badge. Okay. Similarly, Sheikh Gause Basha. All right. Submit it as soon as possible. Self-paced batch. Please submit it as soon as possible. Githalli Premvada, I asked you your email ID. Please share me your email. Ankit Kumar Verma, please understand, still the batches is not yet formed. Please wait. Please wait. Githalli Premvada, please share your email. What you want to create, Nivedita? I'm not understanding. I already told you, please go and check IBM skills build page. There we have clearly mentioned the process to create an account on Credly and how to claim the badge from Credly. Please guys go check your IBM skills build page, the course, the same course. In the course itself, you have a small tutorial on Credly. Please refer that. No Gadi Muddi Jyoti, no. Check the calendar, Pavan Kishore. I think so. There is 2 weeks of time. Okay. Link you have to post Kotaru Venkat Sahit. Pushpanjali, that is fine. It is fine. You can share this link. It is fine. You can share this link. No Pushpanjali. No issues. Chandana, please go check your IBM skills build page. The self-paced course page. Please check there. Pranita, click on the link. Pranita, you need to share this one. I'm sharing it. Share this one. Okay. You have to share this one, Pranita. Please check your message. If somebody have not access to the form, we'll look into it. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining. Please complete the quiz, complete the assignments, and complete and submit the self-paced course batches. Okay. All right. Those who have missed the quiz, I'm resharing the quiz link here. Okay. If you're attending it from the phone, then you'll not have the access to it. Okay. Then it is not my fault. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye all.